Hello everyone. So today I'm going to unbox um, a foldable XL floor jack stand. So this is a parcel I received today. So I'm going to unbox it and share the review with you guys. Yeah. So let's do that. The box looks pretty heavy. I'm gonna cut it from this side to make it easier to unwrap it. So this is the box. It shows Wolf Automotive and art number, serial number, and so and so. UK Home Supplying Limited. So this is the foldable jacket stand. I ordered it because I have some storage issues, and on the advert it was saying that can hold up to uh, I think 2000 kg of weight, and it comes in pair. So just let's open it and see what's inside. So the first jack to pull out, I'm gonna push this one aside, and this is how it looks. It looks pretty solid, and yeah, this is how you can basically use it. So you can just, once you use it, you can just push this inside and it's going to fold automatically. The material looks pretty solid to me, and these extra bars are going to provide it support to not to slip, or yeah, and that's the safety pin for it that we can use in there. Yeah, so let me pull out the other stuff. So that's from the top, that's the top bit that's gonna go in there, and depending how much height you require, so you're gonna adjust it accordingly. So guys, I have removed the pin, and so these are the specifications. So it can handle maximum load 3 ton, and maximum height is 401 millimeter, and maximum height is minimum height is 286 millimeter. And these are the instructions to put the pin, safety pin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pull this up. I'm going to leave my phone there. And I'm going to insert the pin into one of the hole. I'm going to match the hole and insert the pin. So I've inserted the pin, and that's the another clip that you can insert into the small hole for the security and safety, so that it should not come out from the hole. So to me it looks pretty much strong. The stuff is very strong. I'm really happy with the stuff, and the price, that's from the eBay. I bought it for £25. So I believe it's going to do the job, and it's going to provide me enough space when I put it under the car. So let me check the maximum height of this jack stand. How much would it be? So that's the maximum height we can get, and we have enough space to go underneath the car. So that's the first one, and we have got the second one as well, which is similar like that. So you get two pairs. So basically you get one pair, two jacks with this package. So this one so far looks pretty good. So that was the unboxing of Wolf Automotive jack stand, foldable jack stand, 3-ton. So I'll see you in the next video where I'll be showing how I'm going to use it to jack up my car. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.